Nandito yung mga pangyayari sa buhay ni Jesucristo. Ayan, kung napapansin nyo, since nasa France tayo, sponsored yung robe ng mga apostles. Mga Louis Vuitton yung mga yan. Panis.
Gago!
I this budget Paris La Villette, and then katabi niya lang may Carrefour. Bye Lance, ingat. Ha? Ano?
Stalling ka.
Yeah. The station. Malakas ba yung ilaw ng ano?
Not so much.
Anvers. O diba, may ano si Foyer, pa-music habang nag-trend. Ha?
Russia occupied France.
I don't know. Hindi din masyado. Nahihilo nga ako pag naglalakad.
Baka ako dapat ka.
Oh. Asan ka mama? Huwag kang humihiwalay. So, paakyat tayo sa hill sa Basilica.
May po siya para makikita ko namin.
Where are we?
Paslik sa akin ko, di mo mak.
Sila na lang magsasabi. Ang hirap ng French. Ayan, so yan yung simbahan. Yun na lang, simbahan. Ay, laki. So we have to go up the hill to go there, and to get here we had to take the metro from our hotel. Lapit lang naman. Kaso, Diyos ko day, mamumulubi sa metro, napakamahal. So, kaya pala lahat ng tao naglalakad kasi ang mahal ng metro. Bumili ako 6 tickets, 200 dirhams. I don't like this trip anymore. So, lahat ng nakikita nyo ngayon ng Paris. Asan na yung Eiffel Tower? We haven't seen. Wait, kung dito tayo galing, Eiffel Tower should be somewhere there. That's why. Yeah. And kaya kami hinihingal. Nasa halfway pa lang ba tayo? I think we're just halfway.
Really?
Kaya pa? Ano? Maraming nangako. Marami ring iniwan. One minute lang.
Oh, that's cute.
Bigyan mo yung dumaan. Promo train.
Choo-choo train!
Ay, gumagalaw pa. Ay, tao pala. Hello, stop. Nagbarya ka ba? Ito yung entrance papasok sa church. Ay, grabe ang haba. Haba ng pila. Check daw, fit check. Nga, ang Paris outfit, day 1.
Fit check. Si Lance muna.
Si Lance din.
Lance, fit check.
Lance, anong fit check mo for Paris day 1?
Ikaw ba ba? Fit check.
Huwag na.
Fit check ka. Fit check.
Pambahay lang ako.
Fit check. Sino pa ba? Fit check. It's my pampalengke. Yes!
Ang pila to? Pila ng ano? Ng cable car. Di tayo dyan. Dito tayo. So, just going around. Going around. Simbahan ulit doon. May natatanaw na akong Torre na green. Hindi ko alam kung doon kami pupunta, pero we're like 15 minutes away. Straight na lakad lang siya downhill from the Basilica of Sacred Heart. So okay siya kasi downhill walk kahit 30 minutes.
Paris mag-Asian food. Masulit.
Duck. Siomai, dumpling, pansit, and rolls. Very good. Ang hangin. Kasi ganito kami kalapit sa Eiffel Tower ngayon. Layo. Yan, dito pa lang. So this is the view of Eiffel Tower from Lafayette Gallery. So this is, what do you call this place again? How do you pronounce that, Lance? Palais Garnier. Garnier. And si Lance may ibang gustong puntahan. Kaya lang, mama. Alam niyo ba kung saan ang gusto nilang puntahan? Ayan, no, Uniqlo Paris. Church of Saint Magdalene. Mukha siyang the Parthenon. So nadaanan lang namin. We're not exactly going inside kasi ano na eh, out of the way na kami. Dito na tayo sa roundabout and we are in the Concord Square or Concord Plaza. From that side you will see Eiffel Tower. Dito yung Egyptian obelisk and yung river nandun na sa kabilang side, River Seine. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan nito. Check natin mamaya sa Google Maps. Pont Alexander III. This is a beautiful bridge right in front of the Grand Palace here in Paris, and it's named after a Russian Tsar.
Tsar. Oh,
yeah. And on this side is Eiffel Tower. Hindi pa siya masyadong kita kasi natatakpan ng building. And on that side is
Ano ba yung mini palace?
Vatican. Joke lang.
Mini palace.
I don't get what's the Alexander the Third has stopped.
I didn't study that part of history, so I don't know. Uy, teka lang, ba't sa atin nakatutok? And ang bayag ng demonyo. Teka lang, mama. Griffin pala to. Take a picture of mama. Hollywood. So ito yung mga mga anghel na hindi tuli. Nilalagyan nila ng locks. Pauso sila. Lock. So mamaya babalik tayo doon sa may Golden Dome in Valdez. Kasi maganda daw yung view dyan ng Eiffel Tower bago tayo pumunta ng Eiffel Tower. Pero for now, we'll go to the Grand Palace. Yeah, so this is the Little Palace on the right, and this one is Grand Palace. Access safe. Where exactly is the entrance? Exit only, ari ko. Depende sa schedule. Grand Palais daw. Ang sabi? Palais daw. Grand Palace. Hindi niya naintindihan. Free naman daw pumasok dun sa dun sa what do you call this, public spaces. Kasi may mga exhibition, so dun daw hindi. So yung mga public space, siya, overcrowded.
In French version.
Tingnan natin kung mapas tayo sa loob. Kasi yun yung King's Cross Station. Yeah. Ito siyang napakalaking dome. Pwede. Sige. Little Palace. And we have the Grand Palace covered na ng trees. Pudaw muna tayo. Pagod maglakad eh. Ilang steps na tayo? We are at 16,200 pa lang. I'm so disappointed. I thought nasa 30,000 steps na. Palapit na tayo ng papalapit sa... Saan, mama? Palapit na tayo ng papalapit sa... sa Eiffel Tower. Where? Yung bench nila parang sira na eh. Parang tinaob yung isang bench. Itong stretch na to naman puro Ayan na. Ayan na, lapit na natin sa Eiffel Tower.
Yay! What is that? What is that?
Ano na?
Sinubos na ni Papa Mulan. Sinubos na. Ice cream.
Banana.
And when you're in Paris, you have to try the
Banana ang palaya.
crepe. Uy. Yay!
Pela banana.
You're in Paris, Papa. Hi. Then try crepe.
Ano ba? Pahawak mo kaya kay Lance yung video, no? Yung camera mo na.
Makal na.
Kamahal?
Magkano?
7 euros yung Nutella.
Yung ice
4
cream.
euros yung ice cream.
Isang meal. Resting here. While euros. And how's your ice cream, Bebe?
It's good.
Does it taste Paris?
Sure.
Sure. Oh. Sa...
Mama, tell them.
Try this, love. Ayaw mo?
So ito yung street. Pagliko mo sa kanan, doon na yung Eiffel Tower. Well, not Eiffel Tower, but a good viewing spot for Eiffel Tower. Pero konting lakad ng Eiffel Park na. Familiar na ba sa yan? Hindi mo na matandaan to? Dito ka pinanganak. Diyan, no? Diyan.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Ayun na po. Here's a good view with a... Papa, I want a picture here.
Kasi bike lane po.
Okay.
Staring at your picture, wishing you weren't so far from this. Yeah, it's true. The Eiffel Tower's glow can't hold a light to you. I swear it's true. Hey there, Sophia, don't you mind the miles between? I'm with you in this melody, a quiet, peaceful scene. Just close your eyes and hear my voice sing you these lullabies. I'm by your side. Oh, this is what love feels like. 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 What love feels like. Hey there, Sophia, I know money's getting tight, but trust me, dear, this old guitar will one day make it right. We'll have it made. A little house with bills all fully paid. Don't be afraid. Hey there, Sophia, I've got so much more to write. If every song I wrote for you could make your future bright, I'd write all night and fill your world with nothing but pure light. We'd have it all. Oh, this is what love feels like. Oh, this is what love feels
And my boys.
like. Oh, this is what love
My boys.
oh,
Wow!
feels like. 1,000 miles is just a number on a screen. They got fast jets and bullet trains, a modern travel scene. I'd swim the sea if that was all that stood between. My friends might laugh.
Ito yung pinakasikat na lugar dito sa Paris kung makikita nyo, 'di ba? Sobrang ganda ng mga halaman. Hindi, joke lang. Dito na kami. After ilang oras ng paglalakad, narating na namin ang Eiffel Tower.
When you are back
And ang dami na namin nakuha picture.
finally understand
So,
what we were meant to be.
most likely, since marami ng picture, pwede na umuwi. Kita na natin eh. Grabe, daming tao dito.
Hey there, Sophia.
This is the park right below Eiffel Tower.
One more year until you're done, no matter where you
Marami talaga ditong nakatambay lang.
You'll know this journey
Yeah, so
conquered all
saan
our
tayo bibilin dinner? Hanap
We
tayo ng
can
Carrefour.
do whatever we want
Bilhin
to,
tayo ng ano, ng
right?
pagkain. Tas dito, pwesto na dito.
One's for you.
Pwede na.
Feels like, oh, this is what love feels like. Oh, this is what love feels
Which part of Paris?
Oh, this is what
Lamig-lamig.
love feels
Super
like.
nice weather. Walang... Ano yun?
Sa loob yata sa likod.
Okay.
Let's see if we can go in. Maganda siya sa loob.
Free ba?
Parang nasa horror train yung may lalabas bigla.
Paris Subway.